Jonathan, watch your ramp and go up. Go, Mummy, go. Hold on and go up. Oh, yeah, behind me.
Press these on the shore. I can see a big flamingo there.
Alright, we have the brainy corals, Norwegian corals, and the sheet corals.
It's one big fish there. The sea floor.
Alright, these are microscopic tiny animals. They live in hundreds, thousands, millions in colonies.
Jonathan, you see them?
Alright, and for the soft corals, we have the sea fens, sea webs, and sea rods. Around their mouths. And they feed themselves in the night. What do they eat? So if anybody doesn't know what is the zooplankton means,
What kind of fish?
I will tell it in a funny story. If you saw a SpongeBob before, the green guy with the big eye, with the two antennas on the head, the enemy of SpongeBob.
We're on the ocean floor. Look on the pure white fish in the basket. Look there, sir. The pure white one, I'm hiding there, sir.
And continue the polyps.
Look at that,